welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. Umselek is with his 3 wives go family vacation, and they are doing they're molding clay today as the activity. Umselek as if they could do more of these things, behleke bejabule, it would be nice. Bekhohlwe nje ukuthi basesithenjini, and all these problems or issues that are there. Athi mayeni yena nje, if it was up to her, kuba akekho la, she'd be at home ey'phumulele nje, kuba akekho lana. But then because akena choice, and then they start molding ke, but they need someone to teach them. Umselek yena athi yena is molding a crocodile. Umacele was molding ukhamba. I don't know what Khumalo was molding. And then Uma Ngwabe Uma Ngwabe molded a cow, and she also molded a dildo. Ati she's molding a dildo, the one they use because she's a nurse. They use it to teach people how to use condoms. Angasahleki uThobile. Thobile was literally on the floor laughing. Azathi uma Ngwabe, I don't understand ukuthi yini kahle kahle uThobile ahleka yazi. Ayi bangasahleki. Athi umseleku yazi, it's confusing because uma Ngwabe lento leya yakhaya kayifuni in real life, like the thing that she is molding, she doesn't want it in real life. And then but then he said it in his diary sessions. Bangasahleki, they kept on looking ukuthi how yini ngempela uma Ngwabe yenzayo ayakhayo. And then at the end, Umayeni was there interpreting ukuthi ubani wakheni. It was cute, man. They were all like laughing and getting along. It was sweet. As uMthembeni uyabona yolala kamnandi, because this is if they could do more of these and like behleke nje bavane, so it would be nice. Like isithembu sabo singaba mnandi because they're here getting along, unlike when they're always at home and and not bengazwani. So this was really cute, man, for him to be with his 3 wives in one place and they're doing one activity and having fun as a family. It was cute. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.